to see text appear on your screen. Dictation is also available on the web version of Word. You can adjust your settings by clicking on the gear icon next to the microphone. Under Spoken Language, you can view and change languages in the drop-down. By default, dictation is set to your document language in Microsoft 365. There are 15 supported languages and over 20 others in preview mode, which means the accuracy is not as well vetted yet. Under Microphone, you can view and change your microphone settings. Next to Enable Auto Punctuation, you can toggle the checkmark on or off. This provides you with the choice to have Word include punctuation or allow you to add it on your own throughout the document. Last is the profanity filter. You can mask potentially sensitive phrases with asterisks throughout your document. Once you've adjusted your settings to your liking, click on Save. In addition to dictating your content, you could speak commands to add punctuation, navigate around the page, and enter special characters. Some helpful phrases include pause dictation, resume dictation, new line, new line. Some examples of punctuation could include period, question mark, open quotes, close quotes. Saying delete by itself removes the last word or punctuation before the cursor. Delete, delete. If you want to remove an entire sentence, you can say, delete that, and it will remove the last spoken utterance. You can bold, italicize, underline, or strike through a word or phrase. An example would be dictating, review by tomorrow at 5 p.m. Bold tomorrow. You may have noticed that next to the Dictate button, there is a Transcribe button. You can record conversations or upload audio files, and Word will transcribe them automatically. Transcribe detects different speakers, so after you finish recording, you can easily follow the flow of the transcript. Good morning, Matthew. Thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you, Elizabeth. I'm happy to be speaking with you today.
Can you tell us why the topic of primary education is so important to you?
The topic of education is one that I'm passionate about, and I am pleased to share my thoughts with your audience.
After your conversation, your transcript will appear alongside the Word document, along with the audio recording. You can make edits or adjust the speakers' names. You can add the entire transcript to your document or just certain selections, like just the text with speaker information, timestamps, or both. Likewise, if you're writing something and you want to insert just a quote, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon next to any specific section of your transcript, and this will add it directly to your document. A somewhat hidden feature in Word, and one of my favorites, is text-to-speech. If you have text on the page that you want read to you, open your Word document and select Ctrl-Alt plus the spacebar on your keyboard.
Does Kevin's Cookie Company really have the best cookies? According to local experts, Kevin's Cookie Company has received mixed reviews.
You can adjust the settings, including the reading speed, as well as the voice.
A representative from Elizabeth's Candy Company has suggested that perhaps changes are needed to compete in today's competitive environment.
This is a great feature for multitasking, preparing for a presentation, or reviewing notes. Let's shift to Google Docs. In this example, I'm using the web-based version. If you want to begin voice typing, click on Tools, and then select Voice Typing. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus S. Just like with Word, Google Docs will default to your chosen language, but there's a lot to pick from. And just like with Word, you can use commands to edit and format your document, although currently voice commands are only available in English. With both Word and Google Docs, if you see a lot of incorrect or missed words, make sure you're on a fast and reliable internet connection. Also, try to avoid or eliminate background noise that may interfere with your voice.